Hello my dear friends, a very warm welcome to all of you. In earlier lessons, we have studied linear equations. We have seen that the degree of linear equations is always 1. Today, we will study quadratic equations. The equation involving one variable with all indices as whole numbers and having 2 as the maximum index of the variable is called quadratic equation. X square plus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation because here x is the only one variable in it. In this equation, the maximum power of x is 2. Graph of this equation is as follows. This graph is not a straight line because the degree of quadratic equation is 2. Whereas degree of the equation representing a straight line is 1. To accurately identify if the given equation is a quadratic equation or not. To understand the standard form of a quadratic equation. Identify if the given equation is quadratic equation or not. Now let's see few examples. 4x square plus 5x minus 15 is equal to 60. This is a quadratic equation. In one variable as x is the only variable and the highest degree is 2. All the powers of x are natural numbers. 4x cube minus 3x square plus 5 equal to 0. This is not a quadratic equation as the highest degree of x is 3 here. Now see this example. M plus 2, m minus 3 equal to 0. Is this a quadratic equation? Let's see. For this, we need to identify the degree of the equation. In order to find out the degree of the equation, we need to first simplify it and add the like terms. Now here, m plus 2 is getting multiplied by m minus 3. Let's multiply this. I hope you remember how to multiply two binomials. M plus 2 into m minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, m into m minus 3 plus 2 into m minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, m square minus 3m plus 2m minus 6 equal to 0. Now we've got the simplified equation having one variable m with the highest degree of 2. Thus we can conclude that m plus 2 into m minus 3 is a quadratic equation in one variable. Standard form of quadratic equations in one variable. There are 3 terms in a quadratic equation. Degree of the first term is 2 with a non-zero coefficient. Let's say it is a and it can be any real number except 0. That is, a is not equal to 0. The degree of the second or the middle term is 1 with its coefficient as any real number including 0. Let's say it is b. The third term is a constant. Index of the variable is 0. It can again be any real number including 0. Let's say it is c. So the standard form of a quadratic equation in one variable can be written as ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, however b and c may be 0. Now let's see some examples and compare those with the standard form we have seen above. That is, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. 3x square minus 8x plus 15 equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. If we compare above equation with the standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then we can easily see that this definitely is a quadratic equation as its degree is 2. Value of a is equal to 3, b equal to 8 and c equal to 15. m minus 2 square is equal to 11m minus 40. Here again we need to simplify the equation to get it in the standard form and then find the values of a, b and c. So let's go ahead. M minus 2 square is equal to 11m minus 40. Therefore, m square minus 4m plus 4 is equal to 11m minus 40. Therefore, m square minus 4m plus 4 minus 11m plus 40 is equal to 0. Therefore, m square minus 15m plus 44 is equal to 0. After comparing this equation with its standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we can easily say that a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 15 and c is equal to 44. What did we learn? The equation involving one variable with all indices as whole numbers and having 2 as the maximum index of the variable is called a quadratic equation. Standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. The value of b and c may be equal to 0. If a given quadratic equation is not in the standard form, then we learnt it to convert it in the standard form. Exercise. Decide which of the following are quadratic equations. Justify your answer with reason. X square plus 6x plus 18 is equal to x into x plus 24. M minus 6 divided by m is equal to 5. A cube minus 64 is equal to 0. X minus 4 into x plus 5 is equal to 0. Write the following equations in the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and then write the values of a, b and c for each equation. X into 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. M plus 2 square is equal to minus 8m. X plus 9 divided by x is equal to 6. 2m square minus 7m is equal to m square minus 2m plus 24.